tons of promotions going on right now on these things.
Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge.
Adam here at Redwater Dodge, here to talk about promos on Jeep Compasses for August.
Just wanted to let you know for the month of August,
Stellantis and other dealers are doing $2,500 off on sport models, $6,000 on North, $6,000 on Altitude, $7,500 off Trailhawk and Limited. We are doing way more. $5,500 off sport models, $9,000 off North, $9,000 off Altitudes, and $10,500. Am I reading that correct? That's wild. $10,500 off Trailhawk and Limited models.
we have up to $10,500 off in-stock 2026 Compasses.
Or you could do alt financing, 1.99% rates up to 60 months.
Or you could get rates as low as 1.99 up to 60 months.
There's also an after-tax loyalty for any current Jeep or Chrysler owner, $1,850 additional discounts. If you'd like some more information, give us a call.
So if you want to get into one, give us a call, 780-942-3629.